Hi guys, it's Janine. Before we get started with this video, I want to give a very special shout out to Agatha for doing my hair. She hooked my hair up. I mean, I absolutely love what she did with my hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put her information in the description so that you can give her a call, or you can go to her Instagram page and check out other work that she has done in case you need somebody to do your hair. This video that we're doing today is assembling another desk chair. It's not this one. It was one that my son and I got for him. He really liked this chair and he kept on stealing my chair, so we decided we was going to go ahead and get him one. It's not the same chair, so this assembly is going to be different. If you want to see how I got it done, please keep on watching. Stay tuned. Now, if this is your first time here, I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're returning, I want to say welcome back. I appreciate you guys coming back. As always, I say, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And please share it so that other people can see this video as well. Now, let's get started. So this chair came in one box, and the box wasn't very heavy at all. These are the arms. And those are the legs. That's the back part. And that's the seat, and I wanted to point out that it's very cushiony. It looks very comfortable. Those are the instructions, not that they were very useful. This is the part where you control going up and down on making the chair go up and down. Those are the tools. Those are the wheels. I don't know the technical name for this piece. Now, putting these wheels in on the legs is much easier than it was on the pink chair, because with the pink chair I had to use a hammer. With this one, I could just push it in, and they're secure. Trying to put these arms on was a challenge because, like I said, these directions are not very clear, and I had no idea how they were supposed to go. And finally, I got it. So when you're putting this together, make sure that the arms are facing up and towards the back, and that would be the proper way. What I did with this part is I sped this up, but I left it in because I wanted you to see that these little stoppers, these little things are very difficult to put in, and they should be the simplest thing to do, but they're not, and I had so much trouble. I don't know what their technical name is, but you know, it's to cover up the screws so it looks pretty, but actually it's very difficult to put them on correctly. There is a certain way you're supposed to do it, and like I said, the directions don't tell you any of that. lay the back down. You put the seat right there. Now you have to hold the seat up in order for the screws to match in with the holes. So that's why you see me holding it on the bottom. You may not be able to see too much of what I'm doing, but you'll be able to see it on the other side. But I wanted you to see that there's 2 on the left side and there's 2 on the right side. This was not easy to do at all because again you had to hold it up and screw the screws in and then tighten it with the Allen key. I tightened the first 2 on top and then I put the bottom ones because the 2 top ones will hold the piece in place while I screw the other 2 in on the bottom. And then we have to lift it up and put that piece on the bottom. You'll put that on there. Easy peasy. And we're all done. This one was much simpler than the pink chair. Now this is the arms that they go up and down. And it's actually very comfortable. But I still love my chair better, my pink one, even though the wheels won't stop rolling and I have no way of stopping them. So there you have it, guys. This was a very simple assemble. Thank you for watching. I appreciate the support. Please like and subscribe if you have not already. Stay safe.